Take these push pins out. There's 3 on each side. Just use a trim tool. Pop these out. You can grab this panel and just fold it like this. Take these screws out. There's 4 of them. Use a T20 socket. From underneath, you have 2 screws on each side. Use a 7mm socket, take those out. On the side here, take these push pins out, just use a trim tool. Pop that out. There's probably one down there as well. This vehicle doesn't have it. And then take these screws out. Use a T20 socket. Take both of those out. Slide back. And through this area right here, use a 7mm socket. Take the screw out here. Then you can grab the bumper. Use a little bit of force. Just pop it out, just like that. You want to do the same on the other side. And just grab the bumper and just slide it off. Disconnect the washer pump, just pull on the top. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. You want to catch any of the washer fluid. So you just pull out the top and just slide it out like that. Now disconnect the hoses from the pump and just slide these off. Sometimes using a pick helps out a little bit. Sometimes you can just twist it. Slide that off. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the pin right here. And slide that off. Take the pump, connect the connector. Then connect the hoses. Black one goes to the black side. The tan one goes to the white side. And line it up. And lock it down. All right, line the bumper up. On both sides. Just line these up. Take the 7mm screw, line this up, snug that down, and line this up. You can put the push pin in. If you had one down below, put that one in as well. Put these screws in. Tighten these down on both sides. Underneath, get these 2 screws started on both sides. Tighten them down. Put these bolts in. And tighten them down. Slide this panel back in place and put the push pins in, lock them down. Do the same on this side.